Hi, I'm Marcia Ramsden, and today begins day one of tips for organizing your home office, or your paperwork. Our first question comes from Lynn Schaefer in Colorado, and she asked, "Where do I start?" And that's a really good question, Lynn. And the answer is find your space and claim your place. In a home office or in a desk, anywhere that you are, you need to have one place. And with the pandemic, we've been moving from kitchen table to the dining room table, and it's not been real easy. So find your place, and preferably a place where you can have a chair, a flat surface, and you'll be able to have some files in a file drawer and your laptop or your computer. So that is your space. That's the most important thing. And you want to think about, what will I tolerate on my space? So, are you going to tolerate paper piles? No, you're going to go through those, and I'm going to show you how in the coming days to get through those and to put them into files. So, the important thing is, don't be wandering around in your house from the kitchen table, dining room, counter, everywhere else. We want you to have one place that you can sit down. It's like a bullseye, and everything flows around it, your mail and your paperwork, your financials. Okay? All right, Lynn, that's your start. Find your place, claim your space, and I will give you more tips in the next one. See you soon.